Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see August 4, 2020 Kannada Copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Bangalore minimum price 95, maximum price 110. Arsikeri minimum price 92 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 95 rupees 10 paise. Turvikeri minimum price 95 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 96. In KRPet maximum price 97, Chennaraipatna Ball Coconut maximum price 99, Hassan maximum price 95 rupees per kg. Gubbi Ball Coconut minimum price 95, maximum price 95 rupees 50 paise. Kunigal maximum price 93, Huliyar Ball Coconut minimum price 95, maximum price 96. Tiptur Marico minimum price 88, maximum price 90. Tiptur Ball Coconut maximum price 95 rupees per kg. Tiptur Copra Kotu maximum price 70. Tiptur Edible maximum price 92 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 4, 2020 Kerala Copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily procurement price updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Kanjangaadu minimum price 96, maximum price 100. Payyanur minimum price 94, maximum price 96. In kerafed, maximum price is 104 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 4, 2020 Kannada coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Bangalore minimum price 8, maximum price 20. Ramanagara minimum price 7 rupees 20 paise, maximum price 14 rupees 80 paise. KRPet minimum price 7, maximum price 10 rupees per number. Sira minimum price 8, maximum price 16. Harihara minimum price 7, maximum price 8. Chikbalapur minimum price 6, maximum price 16 rupees per number. Arsikeri maximum price 14 rupees 28 paise. Sandesargur maximum price 9 rupees per number. Honali maximum price 8. Malavalli maximum price 9 rupees per number. Next we are going to see August 4, 2020 Kerala coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily market updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Adimali minimum price 40, maximum price 42. Kanjirapalli minimum price 34, maximum price 38. To get the daily procurement price of various agricultural commodities and latest agricultural news, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.